Make a great choice today with the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, rear stabilizer bar, braking assist, battery saver, front stabilizer bar, power brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.